This is a song about mitosis and meiosis by Sita Huang and Ryan Schroff in the style of Matchbox 20. Here is what a cell goes through during the cell divisions that occur. There is mitosis and meiosis. One creates two diploids and the other four haploids are created. Just listen, you will know the difference soon. Here's the breakdown and you will know why. Mitosis starts with interphase in which chromosomes are replicated. Each DNA strand turns into two. They aren't visible. Next step is prophase, and the chromosome condensing can be seen through a microscope. But chromosomes at this point are actually chromatids connected at the centromere. Spindle fibers begin to form and the centrioles separate to opposite sides. This indicates that you are in prometaphase, and next is metaphase, in which the chromosomes line up at the center of the cell. Yes, they do. The chromosomes are held by spindle fibers at the kinetochore. And in a phase, the chromatids are pulled apart to the opposite end of the cell, to the centrioles by the spindle fibers. Oh, they're on different sides. Next is telophase, and the chromatids form nuclear membranes in the chromatin fibers. The chromosomes uncoil. There is only one more step, that is cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides. Mitosis is now complete. Now you have two identical daughter cells called diploids. Next we move on to meiosis, which is division that halves the number of chromosomes. Meiosis has two different phases, starting with interphase 1. Interphase 1 shares the same activities as in mitosis, and chromosomes are duplicated. Prophase 1 is where the magic begins. The cell does everything it does in mitosis, except the chromosomes pair up and cross over. In a process called synapsis, the alleles are exchanged at the chiasmata. The paired chromosomes form tetrads. In metaphase 1, tetrads line up at the metaphase plate and are attached at their kinetochores by kinetochore microtubules. Anaphase 1 differ from mitosis in that the sister chromatids are not separated, just the homologous chromosomes are. Like in mitosis, telophase 1 is when a new nuclear membrane forms. Meiosis 1 ends with cytokinesis 1, which is identical to that of mitosis. Two haploid cells are formed, and the chromosomes are still doubled. In prophase 2, spindle fibers are formed, and the centrioles begin to separate. Unlike prophase 1, the chromosomes do not cross over. The chromosomes align along the metaphase plate in metaphase 2. Like in mitosis, in anaphase 2 the spindle fibers pull the sister chromatids apart. In telophase 2, the chromatids are on opposite ends of the cell, and a new nuclear membrane forms. Meiosis 2 ends with cytokinesis, and 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Mitosis is very important because it allows for your cells to reproduce and to replace old damaged cells, and to help you grow into who you are. Mitosis ends with 2 diploid cells, both with 4 to 6 chromosomes in a human. Meiosis is just as important because it allows for sexual reproduction. It is also useful because it creates diversity. When a cell goes through synapsis, genes from both parents are combined. Meiosis results in 4 haploid cells, all with 23 chromosomes in a human.